I have here Alyssa and I'm Efren, and I'll just do a quick demo of creating or adding YouTube end screens using Canva. So I know you asked how to create it, and then so I just
Mm,
wanted to create this video of how to simply do that.
Perfect.
So feel free to ask me if you kind of get lost of what's going on. Let me share my screen. Before we start, I'll kind of explain what is an end screen for YouTube. For those that don't know what that is. First, I have a video here that I created. Uh, and at the end of the screen, there's there's these guys. So these are the end screens. These are the cards, but the only thing is there's no design in the background. So it doesn't look fun. It just has a bunch of windows. So what we're trying to create is what we have here that George Hanshaw created a video. If you watch at the end slide, you see that screen.
hmm
Now he created it where so it has the video suggestions in this nice end slide, which is way nicer from that blank one. Uh,
hmm
I think it's very good at kind of advertising the videos that we have in our channel. So and helps with likes, comments, and share. So this is always perfect for marketing. I'll go right into Canva. So right here we have Alyssa's video. We're gonna add end screens to them. But before we do that, for those that you know wants to create quick templates, I'm gonna show a quick way to create it. So I'm gonna press this plus. So we're gonna create a new slide here. I search ending card YouTube video. So this is gonna pop out the dimensions I need and of that for YouTube videos. And on the left side, I have templates. So I I get to choose all these different templates for the end slides. Let's just go say I want to go with this one right here. It kind of matches what we have, the idea that George had. So just say I wanted to create this. It's just a video. One good thing to know is that you need to keep it at least minimum 5 seconds. So I would say maybe 5.5 seconds. I would keep that slide right there.
Okay.
So you can just leave it as that. You don't need to put those videos because you can do that on YouTube, and that's where I'm going to show you how to do that.
Okay.
Okay, so say that we downloaded it and all that, so that we could paste it into our this video. So I'm gonna close this out. We're just gonna assume that we're gonna use this slide and then put it into uh this video that you created, Alyssa. And so to do that, this slide that I created, we're gonna share and we're gonna go ahead and then download it and just download it and put it either in in your desktop or your download files. So just assume that we did that. And then we're gonna go to this video. We're gonna go to the file. We're gonna import files. We're gonna either can drag or search. So I'm gonna search this, pick that file, open, and then you're gonna go to, or I think I already had it. So here's the video. It's a 5.7-second video. We're just gonna add it. Well, we're gonna make a new slide, sorry. Yeah, make sure you add it to a blank slide. Add it, right click, and replace background. So it would do a full screen. So now, if you watch it, that 5 seconds, and it will just transition straight to it. So it will look like that.
Perfect.
Yep. So you have any questions so far? You
Nope.
catching on with where we're going with this?
Yeah.
Okay. So now that we have that video, we're gonna download it so we can put it on YouTube. Share. We're gonna download it. We're gonna download all the pages, some music. All right. So while we wait for that to download, I'm gonna share my screen for YouTube. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna upload video. Okay, so we're gonna you can either drag, select files. We're gonna look for our video. Yeah, this is the video, and we're gonna open it. So here we have the title. Did you want this title? Do you want to make a real difference with a question mark?
Yeah, add a question mark. And then would you suggest adding hashtags in the title or just the descriptions?
I would say put if you're trying to market your channel, I would, or even if you're just kind of for people that are kind of looking for the video and just want a quick description, then write a quick description of what's in that video.
Okay.
That would be my suggestion. And then put hashtags at the bottom or wherever you want to put them. And then you can put your website link, wherever you want to guide the viewer to. So I would suggest that. I think you sent me a text. I gotta go back. Cool. So we're just gonna copy and paste the description here. Then we can kind of separate that. See, you have an email here. I think it will do it on its own. We'll go double check on that.
Okay.
Then we'll just go next.
And then for the playlist, do we have an MSIDT playlist currently, or do we need to add one?
Oh, we could add one real quick, I think. Right here.
Okay, perfect.
Let's add that. Perfect. And then we're gonna go next. Okay, so we can add subtitles, but for this video, I know we want to add an end screen. So we want to do this. We want to do the end screen. Okay, remember the shapes? These are all these videos. So we're going to drag this all the way back to this end video. And this is the same shape, so we're going to import from these videos. So it looks like that. It goes right in exactly as it is. You could move them if you want. Just say you want it this way or whatever. You could do that. There's different things you could do. You could actually add one more video if you want. I think the max is 3.
Okay.
The logo goes right in here. Another thing to do is this is your bars, like the view bars. You want to make sure that these don't go into like your video. You see how it's
video, yeah.
You want to find that spot where it actually appears, like maybe right here. So you drag these to that, like right that point. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna kind of run it, and then boom, it goes in right there. So right here, it can't go. If I stretch it all the way back, it stops. Yeah, I can't go anymore. The reason I said it has to be more than 5 seconds.
Okay.
Because if I go beyond this, it's already less than 5 seconds. So that's why it's always good to keep in mind that you have to have it longer than 5 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll save that. And then we're gonna go next. We can put that to public. Oh, you can put it now. Did you want to put it public now? Or
yeah, can you schedule it for 2 o'clock today to post? For the end screens, where you just were, is that where you would pick what videos would go there, or is that later on?
Yeah, we can go back in and fix it. You can actually, after you even publish this, you could actually change it. So we can go in after. We can do it now. I can go actually back. That's a good question. Let's go do that. So you can click here and as viewers, most recent, choose a specific video. So say that we're trying to promote MSIT. So I just put MSIT, what videos that we have. Let's do this, and then you can
And
do
then
the same thing.
maybe like the QA that George did.
Yeah, let's see if we can change that. Check out this playlist. Oh, it's giving it MS.
Or Ask Me Anything. I think that's what it's called.
Oh, it's just giving me this because this is a
Okay.
I think this is a playlist, but you can change that element because right here is
Okay.
the element. You can either do a playlist or a channel. Save that. Next. You said at 2 p.m.
Can you do it for today? So one on the 5th instead of the 6th.
Yeah, I was gonna change yeah.
Thank you.
So schedule. Time is it? It's like, oh, it's gonna
12:34.
all right, so we're gonna schedule it. And then we're gonna view it. So we're gonna close it. So here's your video. And then just watch it. So we're gonna go slide it to your end screen.
Maybe being an instructional designer is for you.
So what's gonna happen? It's gonna come out here, and then you know how it works. You just click on it, and it will bring you straight to that video.
Okay.
This is a different end slide. This is just recommendation, and so I think we just gotta wait for that. Just so you know, if you want to try to go back to it, just say we went here. We're in the beginning page. So your content. You want to edit your video. You can do your
On the bottom right, it says end screen, if that's what you're looking for.
yeah, right here. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we go in there, end screen, and that's what's supposed to pop up. So
Okay.
like the same screen we had, you can edit them. So you can always change them if you want. If
Okay.
you find a video that's more relevant, then so yeah.
Perfect.
Any
Very helpful.
questions off of that?
No, that makes sense.
Yeah, it does. Okay, cool.
Yep.
All right. So
And here is the process in a nutshell.
thank you so much. I'll share this with everybody.
Yeah, thank you for showing me.
Yeah. So I guess the next time you create a video, you can just add a quick end slide. So just
Yep,
remember.
now I know how.
This video was brought to you by the instructional design team at LAPU. If you want to become an instructional designer, check out our MSID program. Here are some playlists with more of our content.